Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the Caden Games YouTube channel. My name is Caden, and today we have a quick video about arithmetic in Roblox Studio. This is the 5th video in the Roblox beginner scripting tutorial series, so let's start. First, we're going to want to insert a script into server script service, and let's use this to get going. And also, I just noticed toolbox. We don't need that. Okay, so what is arithmetic? Arithmetic is a fancy way of saying math in Roblox Studio, and you might think that sounds boring, but it is actually very useful, and you will find that you'll use it a lot. And it's not too complex to understand at a basic level. It can get complex though. Okay, so let's start off by creating two variables here. We'll call one apples, and we'll set that equal to 2. Do local bananas. I think bananas. Okay. Equals, let's do 3. Okay. Now we can do some arithmetic. So the first way you can do this is actually, without using variables, you can do 3 plus 3. Print 3 plus 3. And I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is, but it does equal 6. And also you can open the output. It's probably a good idea. Okay, let's play the game here. And of course, you're not going to let me go to the test. Okay, there we go. Okay, play the game. And see, we get 6 in the output. Perfect. So that is how you can print arithmetic without using like variables. But variables do help make it a little bit easier and more simpler, as variables tend to do. Okay, so instead of this, let's do print apples plus bananas. And you should get 5. Let's try. Perfect. We get 5 in the output. So that's what you can do if you wanted to print something. But something else you can do is set the variable to the new value. So you can do local all food equals apples plus bananas. And then let's print this. By the way, if you press shift plus the equal sign, you can get the plus sign. I will show you all of the operations in a second. So if we do plus or print all food, it should work for us. Let's try. And yes, perfect. Okay, so that's how you can print and do the addition arithmetic in Roblox Studio. But there are more operations. So down here, let's just do adding is plus. You've got subtracting. Subtracting is a dash, so minus is what that would be. Multiplication is a star, just by pressing shift plus 8. And by the way, the dash, I'm pretty sure you'd know, but it's the one beside 0 to the right. And then we've got division, which is just the slash key, the / actually, to be more specific. So if we wanted to do, let's try 2 minus 3, but let's change this to 4 so we actually get a positive value. Minus, okay, so apples minus bananas, we should get 2, or actually I think it was 1. Yeah, 1, okay. So yeah, that's how you subtract things. Now let's try multiplication. So, multiplication, just the star, we can do like that, and we should get 12. So that's how you multiply in Roblox. And then division, you know what that's going to do. It's just going to divide 4 by 3, and you're going to get, I honestly don't know, but let's try. Divided by 3. we're gonna get a decimal. And there we go. Okay, so that's what you get. And let's see what an actual use of this would be. For example, some things that you can use this for, or is if you were trying to put a part to a position of itself plus a certain value. So if you wanted to move the part by a specific amount, you could do that. And actually, I have an idea. Let's try something here. So we learned color 3's last video. Let's put that to use a little bit here. So let's do, actually up here, we can get rid of these. And we will add local, what was I going to type? Okay, local spawn is equal to game.workspace, or workspace dot spawn location. And you know how to do that already, so that's perfect. Okay, so spawn equals game.workspace dot spawn location. I think this should work if we do spawn dot color equals spawn dot color. So we're setting it to what the color currently is. If this doesn't work, then that's okay. But I think this might work. If we subtract some of the value, let's subtract some red. Actually, I don't know if this is gonna work, but this is part of scripting. It's trying stuff out. And it doesn't. Okay. That's okay. I didn't know if that was going to work or not. But one good use for that is if you wanted to change the position of the part, you could do something like spawn.position equals spawn.position plus a certain vector amount, which you haven't learned yet, but we will be going over that in probably next video. So yeah, that is basic arithmetic in Roblox Studio, and in this series we will be using that more and more. But if you do have a specific question, make sure you do reply or make a comment below, and I will reply to you as soon as I can, and I reply to and read all of my comments. And make sure you do like the video and subscribe if you found this helpful, because it really does help me out, and I will see you next time.